Welcome to Zen Times 10. We've been making innovative products in the wake moto skate world since 2012. We were one of the few chosen for the $1 Million Challenge. It's now 2019. We want to know what you want to see next. Check out these 3 campaigns. Tell us what you like. Let's see if we can make it happen. Getting great shots like these is really not that hard to do. One, you just have to have a camera, in this case a GoPro. The Hero 7 is really going to make this setup tidy. The Hypersmooth is so epic. Going to be really excited to get this tested out this summer with that. Currently the GoPro mounts are really limited. You can put it on yourself, not the greatest view. Put it on your board, can be cool. You can get somebody to follow you with a GoPro. Not super safe. Or you can get a mount that rides on the rope. Now I know what you're thinking. It should be easy. Just mount it on the rope, put some counterweight on it, boom, go out and get some footage. Well, that's kind of what I was thinking back in 2012 when I started this project. Some of my first mount setups, they would have made a better pendulum for a clock than for videoing WaterSports. So ever since the first couple models, it's been pretty much challenge accepted. I think I'm on about my 50th version of this setup, testing different things to see what works, what doesn't. There have been all kinds of details to work out. How to get rid of little teeny shakes, make the footage more solid, make sure it stays upright when you go inverted, do handle passes. You know, we've covered all the bases. Have a tidy setup. It works for multiple GoPro models, so it's backwards compatible, but we really do recommend a Hero 6 or in this case Hero 7. So let's get out there, blow some minds, pop some bottles. Well, actually you can pop some bottles. I gotta get back to work.